Hey, welcome to another video. This video is going to be on simple living. I got a request from a great friend who asked me, can I talk about simple living? And I thought, what a great topic. As life is not simple, but we can simplify complex things, and that's what makes us great. And when you simplify your life and live a simple life, not a slow, stupid life, a simple life. And this is taking the complexities of life and making them simple. You live a much smoother, more comfortable, more harmonious life. So what ways can you do this? How can you do this? You can start with the basic principles of minimalizing your items, the stuff that you have. Make a list of your needs and your wants, and there is a big difference between needs and wants. A lot of people get these confused. I need this, I need this, I need this. Do you really need it? Like I said, a lot of things are addictive out there today. A lot of things people want, they think they need. Do you need certain things? Yeah? What things do you genuinely need? You can start off with what are essential. What would you die without first? So you get straight to food, right? And shelter over your head. These are your needs. The quality of food is important. The quality of your shelter is not as important as the quality of your food. Yeah? So think how much you spend on a house, how much you spend on property, rent. Does that add up to the quality of food you put into yourself, into your body? What makes you, you? Yeah? So your food is important. Priorities are important. You need to simplify these priorities. Like I say, it's different if you've got children. What are you more concerned with? The covers they go to sleep in at night, or the food you put in their bellies? Yeah, I think the answer should be obvious, but it skips people's head. It skips straight over. Because they're concerned with a lot of things that they want, not what they need. So like, I'm not preaching to no one. I'm not telling you how to live your life. But if you want to live a more simple life, when you've got a day off, when you've got some time free, even if it's half an hour, sit down and make a list of what do you want in life and what do you need in life. And sit back and look and think about it. Like I said, take time to really think about this. It's such an important question. You can look through your items, you can go through your wardrobe, and pick out your clothes and go, what do I need to keep warm? What do I need to not show all my skin? And what do I just want to wear for decoration because it makes me feel a certain way? Now we all have abundance of clothes and items and jewelry and all these things, and we wear them to feel, most of the time, to feel a certain way. What is that feeling? Try and consciously pay more attention to every aspect of your life and your decisions you make, and not just running the mill going from one thing to the next and not thinking. Take time to think about everything you do. When you get up in the morning, why do you choose to wear what you wear? Why does it matter what tie, what colour? Why can you not have one? I'm not saying to have just one, I'm saying, but why? Why have multiple different colours? Is it for yourself? Is it for other people? Is it a bit of both? Is it because a certain thing makes you feel a certain way? Have you inherited something? Has someone given you something and there's a worth, a quality to it that gives you quality back into your life? So go through your wardrobe, you can start there. Go through your wardrobe and start putting aside, you don't have to throw them away, but put all aside, all clothes that you just like, and put all the clothes that you need to another side, and see and sit back and see how many clothes have you got. Yeah, and just look at your life in this way. I'm saying, for me personally, I live a very minimal life. I have just enough clothes that I can rotate to keep them clean. Yeah, the ones that I find the most comfortable. I've got clothes that I've had for over 15, 16 years, just because I love them, because they're my favourite. I bought it a long time ago because I loved it, and I still do, and it's been that long. As long as it doesn't stink, as long as it hasn't fallen apart too much, it's still good. Sorry about that cut. For some reason the camera cut off. I'm not sure what was going on there. But I was saying, yeah, so to minimalize your stuff, take a look at the items that you have. Minimalize your wardrobe. Yeah? Minimalize your items. What do you have? Go into your bathroom. Look at all the products you have. Do you really need all them products? My personal bathroom products used to be a lot when I was younger. You know, you have, like, I say gels, that shows how old I am. You had gel in your hair. Yeah, so you have all these different products that you try, and all these different, you have shampoo and different soaps and just all these different things for different moisturizers and all of these. Yeah, and to give you an example of what I do now, I have one bar of soap. It's an organic natural soap. It has no chemicals, and you can use it on your hair and you can use it on your skin. So that's just one. That just makes it a little bit more simple to go to the bathroom. I have one moisturizer, coconut oil. that I don't use all the time, but I use coconut oil. That's an amazing moisturizer and great for your skin. I also use that for cooking. Not the same tub, but it's the same product, you know, you just separate it into a little jar. And but you use the same stuff, you simplify, and you have just less products, less stuff. Why do you need so much stuff? And like I said, you change your diet and you start eating healthy and you simplify your food to real food, good quality real food, the food that your great grandparents ate, real vegetables, real fruits, you know, as clean as possible from a good source if possible. Yeah, and you simplify that, you have better quality skin, better quality life, and you need to put less stuff on it. And a big point, if you've seen my channel or any of my other videos, is all about self-care, self-love, self-worth and self-value. Now, if you buy a lot of stuff and you're what someone would call shopaholic and you just have to keep buying stuff, there's no difference to someone being addicted to anything else. It's an addiction. An addiction comes down to trying to balance your own hormones, because we get certain feelings from doing certain things, and if we're lacking a certain feeling, dopamine, serotonin, these sort of hormones, if they're lacking in your life for all sorts of different reasons, but it comes down to self-love and self-value. It can come from abuse and a load of other past histories, but that's just what it does. It conditions your body into a certain state. And when you're in that state, you look outside your body to try and balance yourself internally. But you need to go inwards and balance yourself from inwards outwards. Yeah, so you go within yourself and change the balance there. So if you are struggling to minimalize yourself, if you are struggling not to buy so many things, if you do want to put loads of products on, if you do want to wear loads of different outfits, loads of different clothes, you need to reflect on yourself and see, why do you feel you need to do that? What's within you that's giving you this feeling? Are you lacking something? Are you lacking attention from others? Are you lacking love? Yeah? That might be because you're lacking attention to yourself. You're not giving yourself the attention you deserve. You're not giving yourself the love you deserve. Like I said, the self-love test, the reflection test, to look in the mirror, straight on, dead into your pupils, and just have a feel internally. How do you feel? I said, do this naked. Yeah, get completely naked, when you're on your own, preferably, not in public. Look into your own reflection. See how you feel. No matter what your body looks like, you should be in love with it because it's yours. You know? Like if you watch my other videos on self-love, I go for an analogy of like an old classic car. Do you know what I mean? Whatever it is you've inherited, this is yours, it's great, love it, take care of it. Start to enjoy the process of taking care and respecting your body in all ways possible. Now you might make little slips and falls and do something that later you look back and think was a mistake. But if you later look back, that means you've had the contemplation to realize, and you've learned something, and you now know something you didn't know before. So you didn't make a mistake, you learned a lesson. It is so important that these methods in your mind, these perception changes happen if you want to live a simple life. Because you simplify your mind, simplify your thoughts, yeah, and it makes life a lot more simple. It doesn't make you simple, it makes your life simple, less complex. You're changing something very complex into a less complex situation. And this changes how you perceive the world and how you act. And when things are simple, you can act so much faster, so much easier, when you're not distracted by a million things. You know, I still do lots of things, I still have things, but I have minimal amount of things. I have what I need. Yeah, and if I get to have excess, I either get to buy myself some even really good food, or I get to share something with someone else. Yeah, and it feels great. You know, we've all got a community, we've all got family, we've all got friends. Hopefully you share with them, what do you contribute to their life? Or what are you only spending and contributing to yourself? Are you making your own life more complicated? Like I said, I'm not preaching, I love you, I just want to talk with you, I just want to share with you, I want to know what's making you uncomfortable day to day. I want to know if we can together improve the quality of your life, simplify your life, and just make life easier. Like if you're struggling with anything I'm saying, check out my other videos. Go back over my history. I haven't had a simple life. But I'm able to simplify it. I'm able to talk about it. I'm able to love myself. I'm able to enjoy life. And it's so good. I want to share it with the world. And it is about perception change. It is about changing your diet. It is about getting your body healthier. Yeah, and it can always improve. If you're not dead, your body's always regenerating. It can always improve. I'm going to leave you with that message. Take time to love yourself. Take time to appreciate yourself. Take time to simplify your life and make your life great. Much love. Have a great day. Nice talking with you.